gahunda ni ukunoza umurimo kandi tukawukora tuwukunze. Bafite impano rero nziza kandi zitandukanye zafasha buri wese kuko harimo ubutumwa butandukanye. Tugarutse inyuma gato rero ku marushanwa twakoze ya quick mind, twakoze ibibazo bitandukanye biri mu Kinyarwanda no mu Cyongereza. Tugiye kubabwira icyavuyemo ko mwabitsinze, ariko turabaha n'ibisubizo, feedback. Mutega amatwi rero tubabwire uko byakagombye gusubizwa, tubabwire n'amanota.
Numvaga namwe murimo gusubiza mwashakaga gufasha ababikoraga kuko mwari mubizi, sibyo ara? Ndumva kwirwa mbabwira ibisubizo nzajya mvuga namwe musubize, ntimwabyumvise. Wapi ni ibiki harya? Nuko ikibazo cya mbere mwese mwagisubije neza kuko numvaga mubivuga. Ahangaha byabazaga ngo ishuri ryacu iri turimo nyine ngo ryubatse mu murenge wa Mukarangi, bakakubaza akagari harya ni akahe? Aha, murabizi mwari no kubyuzuza. Hanyuma umudugudu ni uwuhe? Umudugudu mutuyemo ni uwuhe? Ni iki? Oya, Bwiza ni akagari. Umudugudu mutuyemo ahangaha murara bawita Abisunganye. Ubwo nacyo murakimenya. Ikibazo cya kabiri cyabazaga ngo ukwezi kwa 11 mu Kinyarwanda bakwita ngo iki? Ugushyingo, mwabikoze cyane. Icya gatatu, mushiki wa so wanyu abari iki? Cyaha. Abari nyogosenge nibyo murakoze. Icya kane, umwami Musinga izina ry'ubwami ryari Yuhi. Noneho bakakubaza ngo yari Yuhi wa kangahe? Wa kangahe? Wa gatanu. Hanyuma ikibazo cya gatanu, isi izengurukaho mu masaha 24. Izenguruka izuba mu gihe kingana iki?
Iminsi
kandi yabikoze. Reba ukuntu buri gihe mukoreshwa n'isoni mugakora ibidakwiye.
iminsi 365 cyangwa 366.
Iminsi 365 yabikoze. Karisa nabikoze se? Ikibazo cya gatandatu ngo ninde mwami w'u Rwanda wari umusizi akaba n'umusazi? Ninde? Nindori? Hari umuntu umuzi? Hari umuntu umuzira? Mwegeze mwumva umwami witwa Mazimpaka? Hari uwamwumvise? Yego rero ni Mazimpaka, niwe wari umusizi akaba n'umusazi. Ikibazo cya karindwi cyabazaga karemajambo muzi katajya kabura mu gihe turimo gushaka uturemajambo cyangwa se intego. Ni akahe? Gicumbi. Ni igicumbi, murakoze. Ikibazo cya nyuma cyabazaga ngo ntibavuga ko umwami yarwaye, bavuga ko byamugendekeye gutera. Biba byagenze bite? Aba babyita kugira gute? Kurwara k'umwami? Kuramba. Kubera mama. Murakoze cyane rero. Ibibazo byo mu Kinyarwanda byari ibyo. Reka dukurikire mwarimu adufashe gusubiza ibyo yabajije. Murakoze.
Murakoze. Muzi uko twagize, we had even a version of English questions. Yeah, these questions, I think they are about 9 questions. So let us listen to the answers. Question 1, when did the Umuganda program start in Rwanda? It was in 2001. Good. Number 2, Rwanda has joined many economic blocks for economic benefits. For instance, COMESA. What is COMESA in full words? Yeah, everybody knows it's common market for Eastern and Southern Africa. And where is it? Where is its headquarters located? Its headquarters located.
Lusaka, Tanzania.
Tanzania, Arusha.
Lusaka in Zambia. It is where is common market, our common market for Eastern and South Africa located. Number 3, Sam's mother had 4 children in all. The first one was named May. The second and the third were June and July. What was the 4th child's name? The first, which is Sam. Sam is mother. The mother of Sam, who had children, one is May, June, July. The 4th is Sam. Number 4. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? Before Mount Everest was discovered, the highest one, before it was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Himalaya. Yeah. It was
Everest.
Everest was not discovered, but it was there. So it was the highest, even though it was not yet discovered. Mount Everest. Number 5. What can you keep but cannot share? And once you share it, you can't keep it anymore. What is that? It is what? Something that you cannot keep. Something that you keep but you cannot share. Once you share it, you can't keep it anymore. What do you think is that? It's a secret. A secret, once it is shared, you can't keep it anymore. But you can keep it as well. Number 6. What 5-letter words becomes shorter when you add the 2-letter to it? It is a word which becomes shorter when you add the 2-letter to it. Which is that word?
Short.
Word short. Yeah, it gets to be shorter when you add what? What do you have to add to be shorter?
ER.
Ara. Good. Number 7. What word looks the same? What word looks the same upward, down, and backwards? 3 or 4 position. The word stay the same. What is that?
Chair.
The word share upside down and backward stays the same. Is that one? Who knows this word? See?
Mom.
What if you take it backward? down and up. Is it true? Is it true? Huh? Yes, maybe true. I think so. Mom, 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 mom. Yeah. There is another word which is swims. Swims. Next question. What flies without wings? Something that flies without wings?
Airplane.
Doesn't it have wings? It has. What else flies that without wings? Time flies. Yeah, last question. What never asks a question but gets answered all the time? What? Yeah, cell phone. Your cell phone never asks you a question, but it gets answered all the time. Okay, so 80 people have competed. The way they scored the marks, the test was out of 20. The one who scored more is Uwimana Shami Arno. He scored 11. Rubambana Odiro 8. Ndizeye Berto 6. Rukundo Gisa Martin 5. Ishimwe Bruno 5. Karuranga 5. Kwizera Erwa 5. Ishimwe Jean Paul 2. Oya, nawe yakoze. But for you have failed to try. So congratulations to everyone who turakurikizaho umuvugo. Fabrice nubwo yakoze wenyine ariko ntabwo yujuje 100%. Yatureba ibintu byinshi ku muvugo, yawanditse neza ariko ntabwo binoze. Hari imikarago imwe miremire isumba indi byatumaga injyana itagenda neza. Hari uko yambaye nuko yabitubwiraga, hari tuntu twabuze nubwo byinshi yabivugaga neza ariko gestures sinzi bamwe mwabonye mu byokoze umuvugo rwose ufite message. Twamuhaye 16/20. Abahanzi bashushanyije rero nabo bakoze cyane pe. Bakoze na abahanzi beza kandi bakomeze impano. Iriya ni career guidance bakeneye kugira ngo bagende neza. Ariko ntago haburamo wahize abandi. Hari gukora byinshi, hari gukora ibintu byigisha ko biba byinshi byarushagaho no kwigisha. Umuntu witwa Mutesi Josiane yatwigishije byinshi kandi bitandukanye kuri ku bintu bitandukanye. Twamuhaye 18/20. Juliet Ngabire nawe rwose yakoze ibintu byiza kandi nawe bitandukanye ariko nyine tubaze umubare ntago bihuye, ntago bingana. 17. Hagerezo Christelle abakobwa ariko noneho ndabashimye mwatangiye kuza ariko ahandi nababuze. Christelle afite 16/20 nawe yakoze. Kaneza Arno 15. Kaneza nawe yakoze. Kwizera Erwawe yakoze byiza ariko yakoze kimwe gusa. Rero ntago nawe ufite 15. tugereranije nuko cyari cyiza kirimo na gahunda za leta, sibyo? Mwakoze rero mwese abitabira amarushanwa. Reka ni materi wakurikiranye ibyabaye ku gitondo nawe tubwire uko byagenze.
Mwongeye kwirirwa? Mwiriwe? Mwiriwe? Banza amasaha ageze kure, ariko birasa rwose nkaho mu nda hatangiye guhubangana. Niyo mpamvu tujya ngo ducunguze uburyo umwete. Nkuko mubizi twari dufite imikino igiye itandukanye, yaba ku kibuga ndetse na hano mu kigo. Niyo mpamvu tugiye guhamagara abantu bari bakurikirana imikino uko yagendaga ibera kuri firidi zigiye zitandukanye. Turahera ku mupira w'amaguru, ariko turahemba aba bantu uko bagiye barushanwa, ariko ntitwabura gushimira umubyeyi wacu, padiri wacu waduhaye uyu mwanya, nubwo ari gahunda ya leta ariko nawe akatwemerera tukabasha kwidagadura. Mwamfasha tukamuha amashyi tumushimira. Hanyuma tukanamwakira hano ku meza imbere hano, tumushimira uburyo yaduteguriye umunsi wacu kandi ukaba wanagenze neza. Ni karibu mbere hano kwa tumuha amashyi ariko tumushimira. Mureke dutuze kugira ngo tuze kubona umwanya wo gufata ifunguro ryacu kandi kugera ku meza. Umukino wa mbere tugiye guheraho ni umupira w'amaguru wakinwe mu buryo budasanzwe.